If you're copying and pasting between files, manually summarizing reports, or chasing updates across tools, you're doing AI wrong. Claude Cowork is a mode in the Claude Desktop app that reads your actual files, browses the web, and completes multi-step tasks on its own. Here is the best way to set it up and get real work done fast. Open Claude Desktop on your Mac or Windows machine and click the Cowork tab at the top. It sits right alongside Chat and Code. You will need a paid Claude plan to access it. This is your command center for agentic work, not just conversation. The first thing you do is point Cowork at a folder on your computer. This is the workspace it can read, edit, and create files inside. Create a dedicated project folder for the task you are working on and select it as your working directory. Keeping work in one folder keeps Cowork focused and keeps you in control. Cowork has no memory between sessions by default, so create a file called memory.md in your working folder. Write in your role, your preferences, ongoing project context, and anything Claude needs to know to hit the ground running each time. Reference it in your prompt and Cowork will read it automatically before starting any task. In Claude Desktop settings, add global instructions so Claude knows your communication style, output format preferences, and any standing rules every single session. Think of this as your personal employee onboarding doc. It means you never have to re-explain yourself. Even 2 or 3 sentences here will save you significant setup time on every task. Hit the plus button to attach extra files, add connectors like Slack, Notion, Gmail, or GitHub, or bring in a saved project for additional context. Connecting the right tools means Cowork can pull information from where it actually lives instead of you copying it over. Only connect what the task genuinely needs to stay precise and efficient. Now write your task prompt. Be specific about the input, the desired output, and the format you want. Reference your memory.md file and name the files in your folder you want Claude to work with. The more concrete you are upfront, the less back and forth you will need and the better the result. Before Cowork executes anything, it shows you a step-by-step plan of exactly what it intends to do. Read this carefully, especially if any steps involve editing or creating files. If the plan looks off, refine your prompt now. It is far easier to correct course here than after the task has run. Once Cowork finishes, open the output file and review it before you send, publish, or act on it. Cowork is powerful, but it can make mistakes or miss nuance, so a quick human review is non-negotiable for business work. Treat it like a smart first draft from a capable colleague, not a finished product. For recurring tasks like weekly reports, digest emails, or folder cleanups, type the /schedule command and set the cadence you want. Cowork will run the task automatically on that schedule so you never have to remember to kick it off. This is where the real-time savings compound. Work that used to take you an hour every week just disappears. Set your working folder, drop in a memory file, connect your tools, write a specific prompt, review the plan, check the output, and schedule it to repeat. That is the full Cowork workflow, and it turns hours of manual work into minutes. Pick one recurring task you do this week and try it on your own files today.